Hi everyone, welcome to the House of Paper. Today, we are going to make two different kinds of houses. Prepare two square sheets of paper. Let's start with the house with two identical roofs. Fold the paper in half into a rectangle. Rotate the paper and fold it in half into a square. Unfold and fold the right and the left sides to meet the center line. Put your finger between two layers of paper and flatten it in triangle. Do the same thing with the left part. Ta-da! Here we have a paper house. To make the house with two different sized roofs, fold the paper in half into a rectangle. Rotate the paper and fold it where you want to make a crease. Unfold. Bring the right and the left edge to the crease. Put your finger between two layers of paper and flatten it in triangle for both the right and the left parts. Yay! Here we finished. Two sheets of color paper are folded into houses with two roofs. Let's prepare colored pens for the final touch. You can decorate your own houses by drawing windows, trees, doors, which is the most important part, and maybe a house for your dog. Did you have fun with 종이접기 while learning English? Subscribe to have fun with us. See you next time. Bye!